Route 66 sticker for my RV. And I got a birthday card for my brother, which I can't find. And I got this awesome coffee cup. Didn't check to see if I could use it in the microwave though. Yay! Anyway, so I kept driving. I'm about 30 minutes, I guess, from the next place I'm stopping. But I saw the sign for the Petrified Forest here in Arizona. So I thought I'd go in and take a look. Let's go. Take some cash just in case. Got my keys. Tell you what, getting this lanyard, or whatever it's called, this thing, for my keys was the best thing I did. I keep losing my keys. Look at this. Pretty. They've even got gas here. Pretty windy, but the Welcome Center looks mostly like, well, they've got books and things, but it looks mostly like a gift shop, which is another one over there. Let's go in and take a look. Look at this one.
Now, I heard you saying something about you can access something.
Oh, there's drawers in it. Ooh.
Okay, we're going to be driving, but we go here, right there on 7. Is that also? Oh, so we can actually drive. Okay, that's what we're going to do.
Oh, bottle. Pavement and a Coke bottle.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow. Oh, look how they're watering. A slow drip. Awesome. Same thing going on over here. Try to get this, but the sun's not really going to cooperate. Go for a swim? What's going on there? Hey, for you cat lovers. See, these things, they smell good. You see them all over the place here. Hard to see what I'm showing you in this light. You can pause. Read. Those are pretty big, probably like 2 feet long, a 1.5 feet wide-ish. Painted desert, you are here. Nice little covered areas, sit and have a snack. All the curlies in that. Critter in there. Get my picture with this guy. Oh, he bit me. Ouch. Little guy hanging out. Found himself a home. Ooh, nice. Little pots. Huh. Gift shop. A nice little menu. Well, not so little. It's pretty big. Kids menu. Soups. Tacos. Vegan burger. Usually I just get stuff to go. Eat on the road. Not this time. I'm going to enjoy myself. Try to. I'm going to eat my lunch and I'll bring you back later. Bye. Whew, well, that was pretty good. And I am going to hit the road and try and get to the place I'm supposed to be next, because it is starting to get very windy out there. And you know, I don't like to drive in the wind. Okay, let's go. Oh, and that was a lot of food. I bet I ate about a third of it, if even that. I just got the rest in a to-go bag.